This is the Nerf Gun challenge. Hey, quiet back there, please. This is the Nerf Gun challenge. So the shooter will be blindfolded while the people trying to get away will be in stuff like this, and it squeaks like, so you can't get away. So I'm gonna hear it and I'm gonna blast off like Jimmy Neutron. Let's get this thing started. Let's go. I'm first. First, second, face ass. Are you ready?
Nah, I ain't ready. Let's go.
You ready?
Hey.
So watch out. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fire. There's some tape right here. God damn it.
That boy don't goddamn wanted me, mama. That boy don't wanted me.
I hear y'all. I hear y'all. I'm shooting blanks?
Yeah.
Okay, bro.
This man,
Hey, look.
wow.
I've been doing it the whole time so you can know if you right there.
I know you don't
Come on.
And then caught my hand too.
All right, y'all, round 2. Fight! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's jammed, mama.
This on lock. This on safety.
Can you put it on? Can you put it on safety for me?
Yeah, I got you.
Say something.
You out.
Who I pop?
You bought the shit out my ass.
Get your ass like motherfucker.
You shot me 3 times. Hey, my turn now, nigga. What is it?
Well, yeah, you can't see through that shit, man. All the way under your nose. Under that little witch nose.
I got a witch nose. Couple fucking chicken, dog.
This Trey. Round 1, my turn now.
Hey, Trey, you gotta still get your little short ass in the frame, like.
Why wasn't in the frame, bro?
In the frame.
Alright,
Bro, that lame.
Stand on your tippy, guys. Hold on. Turn around, bro.
Whoa.
Turn around. All right, stand on your tippy toes real quick.
Alright, my turn.
Yes.
Yo,
Stand
Trey.
on your tippy toes and do it.
No, pause. Trey round 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm up.
Hey, that boy straight hit everybody.
Oh, God.
He ain't get me.
I shouldn't hit your ass.
He ain't get me, bro. I'm probably too tactical for y'all folks.
This nigga wanna have like he ain't getting hit.
I ain't trying to
I
get
hit you.
I swear to God,
I
I
should have
hit
hit you.
But I'm telling you, you didn't hit me. Bro, I heard you. I heard you. No, I'm untouchable out here.
Oh, you not, bro. I got you, bro.
You did not.
I shoot at. Yeah.
Hey. Bro, I'm gonna squeeze the chicken life out of the chicken. Boy, I'm too far.
Alright.
I'm too far.
Round 2. Fight.
Spin, nigga, spin. Oh, God. Turn around.
10.
I just try to straight point straight at her.
7.
Come on, up, come on, your turn.
5. 4. 3. 2. 1.
Nigga don't slip that butt. Nigga, you're pushing me.
Damn, I missed your ass.
Yeah, I can strike every last one of y'all, son of bitches. Chicken broke. Well, you broke that chicken. Alright, y'all. 2 for the bow. And we about to get active. Hey. Get y'all all there, bro. Count to 10. 10. 9. 8. 7. 8. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Shut up. Yeah. It ain't no fun when the rabbit got the gun. Your ass. Behind you. Y'all gonna all be behind. Okay. Let one of you little boy. Hey. Yup. Right there. Okay. Let one of you little boy. Hey. Yup. Right there. Y'all saying booby traps on the floor now? That was on the top of chicken. What happened, nigga? Got hit? Your ass. I don't
me once though.
You got me once too though. Y'all boy.
You suck.
Man, put your blindfold on.
Count your blessings, man. Cause I'm about to get real active this time for real, like for real. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Trying to line a nigga up. I hear niggas. Hell nah.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. You know who not to take so I got there.
I know I hit one of y'all niggas that round.
Bro, you ain't shoot shit, bro.
You just want to say that shit.
Hey, and then there was one. Y'all already know I'm about to get active.
You can't see.
Alright, turn over. I mean, whoa. Turn around, bro. Count out.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Caught somebody. You out. Bro, you're out, bro.
This man here. Ass, bro. You ain't getting nobody, my boy.
This one spot 3 times and still miss me a while.
Hey,
I hate shit. That shit crazy, bro.
nigga, talk about a nigga ass. You ass, bro. You know what I'm saying? Huh?
I ain't shit, y'all.
I
know what somebody
Straight that way and said, got somebody, got it.
Y'all were trying to get me got so bad you still went in.
Damn, alright. So I know how y'all boys be maneuvering now. I gotta aim for the ground, pussy ass niggas.
You can aim for the ground all you
I'm
want.
gonna aim for your nose, nigga.
Yeah, aim for the wall.
Damn, so I just saw I know you just hang on a nigga, bro. You just ain't want a nigga to goddamn.
Bro, you the one that was missing. I thought you had me a couple times.
For real. Last round, I just activated the sniper
Bro, your
game.
ass. Your ass.
Alright, watch this. Y'all ready?
Take 2 steps to the right.
Cha-cha now, y'all. Come on.
To the right. Hold on. Alright, y'all ready?
Yeah. To the right, to the right. Count down.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Y'all want to play?
Damn, bro, you just. Oh, God. Did you shoot him in the nuts?
No.
Did you get shot in the
I
nuts?
wanted them man. Hey, come on, man. Y'all get the medic. Get the
Get the
medic.
medic.
Get the medic pack.
Medic.
Pack.
Medic.
Medic. What a medic pack.
Medic.
I don't want it, bro.
That shit hurt.
I don't want it, bro. Get your ass up.
Hey, you ass, boy.
To that shit personal.
You ass.
Just like that. Come on, go street shit.
Cup of chicken, dog.
You gotta get higher, Trey. Alright, man. Hey, I need some silence, bro. I need some silence.
Dead silent.
Alright, y'all, thank y'all so much for watching this video. We went crazy. The game was fun. You should really try it with your friends. It's really fun. Don't you see me recording a video, you dunce? Anyways, thank y'all so much. We're out.